Mbokazi seems to be one of the favorites right now. Not that everybody else is not, but he just seems to have this leadership thing about him. He just seems to be.
Yeah, Mbokazi is a very strong boy. He's a person who's very strong, even mentally. He's one boy. Even if you can see when he was being introduced, they were playing this video of his saying, So he's one boy who's very strong. That's all I can say. And for him to have a role model like Upodlela, it's something that's really great, because Upodlela is a great human being, he's a great defender. So I believe that Mbokazi is learning a lot from Upodlela. And Mbokazi is just incredible, man.
To play the way he did against Nigeria as well. The Super Eagles.
Like, I'm being speechless when I'm speaking about Mbokazi. Like, he gives me goosebumps.
Yeah.
Because he's one person who came to the team and cemented his place. He's one of the key defenders in our team now. So
in the country right now.
In the country, actually. So it's something that we are very happy as players, and we believe that it's something that's really helping us, because having a person like Mbokazi now, we can win this game. If it's not Mbokazi, we'll be able to defend these guys, because he, regardless of the height that he has or anything, Mbokazi is just there. Everywhere.
Yeah,
he's just there. So that's all I can say. Mbokazi is one incredible defender.